Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this absolutely gorgeous 17 registration Mercedes-Benz C200 AMG Line Coupe. Now this is finished in the polar white paintwork, which is a solid white paint and probably my favourite colour in this vehicle. Now as you can see straight away, this is sitting on the 19-inch upgrade alloy wheels, which are in absolutely fantastic order. Now the AMG Line vehicle has the full exterior body kit, so don't confuse it with the standard version. So on the front bumper we get the F1 style front bumper with this lovely chrome front bottom spoiler. You get the AMG diamond effect grille. This has the LED high performance headlamps as well with signature, so the little strips there, they light up throughout. Now the paintwork on this is in fantastic condition. Nothing that I would note that would detract from the purchase of the vehicle. If I do see anything as I'm going around it, I will point it out to you. We like our videos to be transparent and true to life. So looking down the side of the car, I can't see any dings, dents or marks. The chrome window trims are all in lovely condition. I'll put the windows down there. This car comes with the benefit of 2 keys. We do have the service pack with it and also the service documentation. There should be some images on our website, please have a look at those. I also detail the service history, the mileages that were carried out on the car. But the first 2 services, I believe, are at Mercedes, and then the third one is at the local garage, and that's a VAT garage. But all the wheels are in great order. Before the car is collected, it will be detailed, so the wheels will be taken off, they'll be polished, washed inside and out, and then also the calipers and the disc will be detailed as well. So when you do come to view the vehicle or to collect it, when you look inside the wheels, they will look as new. Looking down the side of the driver, you know, aren't we? Down the driver's side, that is in great order as well. No real marks on the screen to talk about. It is in a lovely, lovely condition. As I say, transparency is always the best on these videos, so you get a true, honest opinion of the car. It has come direct from the dealership to us, where it was part exchanged in. The last owner bought it in June 2020, when it was one owner with, I believe, about 15,500 miles on. So internally the AMG line gets the black leather with, I think, arguably one of the nicest contrast stitches and aluminium detail that any manufacturer offers. Heated front seats, power folding door mirrors, electric windows, central locking, automatic headlamps, aluminium pedal set, the lovely Mercedes-Benz chrome kick plate as you enter the car. Looking at the seats themselves, the bolsters are in lovely order. You do tend to get wear on these on any car, most because we've got studs, belts, etc. on our clothes, bags. But these seats are in super condition. You can extend these, so the touring seats, I'll show you now, there's a little lever there that pops them out. So if you're doing a long distance, you can just rest that up against the back of your legs and it takes the pressure off there. These seats are electric and there is also the bolster adjustment as well. Now hopping in the car, we have the slightly square bottom steering wheel. Not as square as the Audi steering wheel, but nevertheless square bottom. And we get the lovely black ash interior detail on this age of vehicle, which you can see again is in super condition. No real marks that one could see on the trim. An honest and very well looked after motor car. Cruise control, speed limiter. Currently the car's done 35,826 miles as I'm doing the video. Multifunction wheel, and then looking up onto the screen there we have all the details throughout. So navigation system there, we've got the radio, which is also the multimedia system, so you've got Bluetooth, auxiliary, you name it, we've got it, CD player as we go through the system. But there's nothing really one could argue about in a Mercedes land. if you were to. I don't smoke and I can't smell any that this car's been smoked in, so be free from that also. But as you can see, what an absolutely delightful and very, very well presented interior. Looking in the rear of the car, that again is in exceptional order. As you can see there with the video, I'll try and zoom in for you, but yeah, what a lovely, lovely example. Especially in the diamond white, or the polar white, with the full black leather seats. Yeah, great, great car. So just to recap, we've got 2 keys, we've got the full book pack, we've got the service documentation. Again, take a look on the images on our website. Dom's done a good job of those. We've got the LED lights, as you can see there, 17 plate, AMG overmat set also. Now you can reserve this car with us, just give me a call. I'll take a £250 reservation deposit. That is fully refundable should you get to Wigan and the car isn't what you expect it. But let me tell you now, we prepare our cars to the highest of standards. We are a professional motor dealer, have been for over 40 years here in Wigan. We have some of arguably the best cars in the country, presented in a proper manner. So, if you'd like to do that, I'm Graham, we've got Dom, we've got Lee. Anybody will help you over the phone. If you've got a part exchange price, I can give you that over the phone as well. Give us your reg, your mileage, an honest and accurate description of your vehicle, warts and all, and I'll give you a price. And if when you arrive, if what you've described is what you've got, we will give you that price. Now if you've got finance, we can do that all online also and have everything in place. If you're a cash buyer, not a problem either, we just do that over a banking app. So if you'd like any more information on it, our number's 01942 231123, and you can get us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.